3, 2, 1.
Let's go!
Range day. 300 blackout. 6. I'm here with my boy Norman. What you shooting, man? AR-15. No. G-Rex. 300 blackout. .556 with the cookie cutter. Hey, you made them boys close the door. That cookie cutter made it. Hit this bullseye the same way. Why? Go ahead, baby. Let's do it, baby. We're doing mine. Me versus Dewey. Fuck wrong with that nigga. Yeah, bitch. Go up a little bit more. Damn, up a little bit more. This shit shoot. It's shooting down to the left.
You see that circle?
Let me see. You hit it with the Glock. Go hit it with the Glock.
Go ahead. Let's see what you got. Let's see if there's still one in there. Nah, ain't nothing in there. Got one in there.
For one shot.
Dusty, my trusty Dusty. You understand me?
One shot.
No, we don't even need the red, the green dot on it. You feel me?
At this point,
We don't need that. That's like this and get focus on that top left sight dot. Top left target. Your top 5. Come on, baby, bring me your top 5.
Bro, come on now, dog. Come on, man.
top of the 7.
Come on,
See
man.
how we at?
Alright, on top of the 7,
Hit the top 7.
on the left, right?
No, I'm saying like, on my screen,
Yeah.
hit it on the top. Just try to get in the middle.
Alright. Top right. Yes, sir. Okay.
No,
Middle.
He's scared. Cookie cutter.
Wow.
That shit beautiful.
15. Out the block 15. That'll work.
Cause I'ma get hot. And I'll send you another video.
Three, two, one.
Let's go.